If you have zero occupancy, you charge $1 million a night, you will have zero occupancy, right? There's no property that can do that. You also have zero revenue. Zero occupancy, zero revenue. Zero occupancy against the market, MPI, zero times market average occupancy is zero, right? We'll get you zero RAM. Let's say that you have 3x market occupancy, right? You are charging $1 a night. You will be 100% booked, and your revenue against the market will also be close to zero, okay? And your occupancy could be, let's call it 3x the market, all right, 3.0. The average market is, 33% occupied. You're 100%, 3x MPI, 3 MPI. You're also close to zero at this price point, okay? But there's some amount of MPI, let's call it 1, that gets you some corresponding amount of RAM, okay? And then what we've seen is that when you tick up, let's go to 1.5. RAM tends to tick up too, 1.7, all right? Let's get over here now. And this continues to a point and then goes back down to zero, all right? This is called a parabola. There it is. And so when you have a bunch of, in reality, it looks a lot like this, right? You've got all these points here. And with this, you can extrapolate what's called a parabola of best fit. Because in reality, which is a little bit messier than theory, it doesn't actually look nice and pretty like this, right? Again, it looks more like this. When you start plotting this, you're going through the months, you're comparing yourself to the market. It looks more like this. You can't draw a straight or even curved linear line through it. But what you can do is figure out the parabola of best fit, which means the parabola that has the least amount of distance from the line, from the curved linear line, to all the actual points that occurred in reality, right? Whatever parabola, by the way, parabola equation is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Everyone probably has heard that equation at one point in your life. This is why you should have paid attention in math class. Whoa! All right, anyways, back to how we operationalize this. So you create the parabola of best fit. Again, it's a parabola, it's this is the definition of a parabola in mathematical terms. It is the line, right, that creates, it's, the constants, the A, B, and C. It's really what you're figuring out, A, B, and C constants. Which set of A, B, and C constants produce a curved parabola, curved linear line, right? Curved line that reduces the distance to the lowest amount possible between all of the known points that occurred in reality. It's not this line, it is not this one, it's this one.